In this video, you are going to see how to make carved text in Google Docs. Let's get started. In Google Docs, there is no direct way to make the carved text. We can apply our trick. Let us go to Google and write the carved text, and here you will find a free website. I will give the link in the video description. Let me click on over here. You will find various carved. Let me choose this one, text in circle. And here you will find the text. Let me delete this text and add your desired text over here. If you want to make it perfect, you will find this button. Before this, let us choose the font from here. Let us choose this font, and I can increase or decrease the size like this. Even I can change the fill color from here. Let us go down. If I want to remove this shadow effect, let me uncheck it. Then the shadow will be removed. Now go down and click on download, and click on download, then it will be downloaded. Now let us go to Google Docs, go to insert, go to image, go to upload from computer, and let us insert it from your computer. Click on it, click on this option in front of text, and you can move it or put it anywhere in your Google Docs. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.